Can we view someone's private friend list on Facebook app? Hello everybody, if you're trying to do that, let's find out in this video. Open up your Facebook, and after opening up your Facebook, you may head over to a profile in which you want to view the private list. After you head over to the profile, there you should be finding everything, including the friends section. So tap on see all friends. And when you go over there, if the person has hidden their friend list, you will only be finding mutual friends list on your screen. So if you're trying to access someone's private list on Facebook app, and if you're trying to do that, unfortunately we cannot do that as it is violating someone's privacy online. So it is very important to respect other people's privacy online. If you have a legitimate reason to connect with someone, consider reaching out to them directly by tapping on this message icon and sending a message that you want to view their private friend list. Otherwise, accessing someone else's private information without permission, including their private friend list on Facebook, is a violation of privacy and goes against Facebook terms of service. So that's how we find out we cannot do it. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.